Let's talk about medical properties. This is a REIT. It's up 17% because they're going to be selling 5 hospitals out in Utah. That is an interesting move because obviously it takes down a lot of the properties that they've been paying those dividends, because again, 95% of a REIT's profits have to be paid out to complete strangers, shareholders. It's fighting to get over 5. It got over and couldn't hold it, but if it can sustain over 5, Pete, watch out.
Then the buyers start stepping in again. I agree with you. I mean, that's something that a lot of people don't understand. There's a mechanics that goes along with that on what you can and can't do. I'm not going to get into that, but I will say, to your point, up about 21%. You know, it took an entire 30 minutes of the trading day to match a normal trading day's total volume. Gives you a little bit of an idea of what was going on when people saw what was happening with MPW. The interesting part to me is this. You know what was going on? I would say that the folks that were short, and I'm talking about 35 to 40% of the folks in here, have a short position in this stock. I think that might have added to this big move to the upside. I'm not sure that everything else added up to the fact that it should be up 20, 21%. Certainly it looks like it is, because I think those shorts are getting pretty nervous. To your point, at some point when you get to 5 and you start getting above 5, things do change. And there's a green light that happens out there for folks that are interested buyers. By the way, end of April, not that far away, April 25th, somewhere in that category, 25th, 29th, they're going to have their earnings as well. So we're going to be hearing from that. But I'll tell you, I look at these shorts. I'm so curious on why they're so short this name going deep into this. But nonetheless, when you look at something that's got kind of a dividend yield of something north of 20%, they are putting out a hell of a lot of money to a lot of folks, and somebody's been fighting against it. But I think that fight's been lost.